What is the easiest way to convert a fraction to decimal? So let us take a fraction 3 over 5. So I will show you the easiest way to convert this fraction to decimal without using calculator, right? Actually, if you use calculator, just divide 3 by 5, you will get the decimal. But sometimes you need to convert this fraction to decimal without calculator. So how to do that? Just you need to use the long division method. That is, you need to divide this 3 by 5. Look, 3 is less than 5, so you need to write 3 as a decimal number. Just take decimal point after it and you can take any number of 0 according to your need. So 5 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 5, that gives you 0. So if you subtract, then 3. Bring down the first 0. So before this 0 you have decimal number which will go to the quotient. So 5 goes into 30 how many times? Actually you need multiplication table of 5. So look, 5 times 1, that gives you 5. 5 times 2, that gives you 10. Just add 5 with this 5, you will get 10. So 5 times 3, just add 5 with this 10, 15. And you need to go to up to 30. 4, just 20, just add 5 with this step. Then 5, 25, just add 5. Then 6, 5, that is 30. So 5 goes into 36 times. Just take here 6 times 5, 30. If you subtract, then 0. That is 3 over 5 means 0.6. This is the decimal form, right? Okay. Now let us take another fraction. How to convert 5 and 1.5, right? This is the mixed decimal. So how to convert this mixed this is the mixed number, and we would like to convert this mixed number to decimal number. So how to do that? Just rewrite this problem. This is whole number part 5, this is fractional part 1 over 5. Just convert this fraction to decimal. So how to do that? Just divide this 1 by 5. 1 is less than 5, so take here decimal, convert this 1 to decimal number. 5 goes into 1, 0 times 5, 0, subtract 1, bring down the first 0, so 10. So before this 0 we have decimal point, so decimal point will go directly to the quotient. So 5 goes into 10 how many times? 2 times 10, like 0. So we are getting here 5 plus 0.2. So now add. 5 is a whole number, so let us make it decimal number. Then line up the decimal point. Now add 2 decimal, then 5. 5.2, right? 5.2. So this is the way to convert a mixed number to decimal. So here is the another things. Look, 17 over 10 or 17 over 100 or 17 over 1000. So how to convert this fraction to decimal number? Look, here the denominator is the power of 10, right? Is the power of 10. So if you get denominator like this, just count the 0. Here 1 0, so decimal point will move 1 digit to the left. So 1.7 is the answer for, and here 2 0, so decimal point will move 1 2, that is 17 is the answer. And here decimal point will move to 3 digit, because here 3 0, 1 2 3. Since there is no digit, you have to consider 1. You have to consider 0. So here, so 0 decimal 017 is the answer.